Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop. This one is an HP Omen Gaming laptop. The exact model for this one is an 15-DC1004, and they do come with an iCore 9 Intel 9 Gen, iCore 7 9 Gen CPU Intel. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how to open it up and how you can upgrade the RAM on these models. And if you want to know exactly how much RAM your laptop or your PC can take, you don't have to go taking my word for it. You can just check the video link. I'll put I'm in a short 30-second video how to check your maximum RAM for your laptop or your PC RAM capacity. Check that link. Once you know how much RAM you can have, 16 gig, 32 gig, then you can buy and put the right RAM stick inside. In this video, I'm just going to cover up how to open it up, how to replace your RAM or upgrade your RAM. Alright, let's keep this video really short and let's get into it. First thing first, you want to flip it over upside down. First thing you want to do, you want to power it off, obviously. You want to grab yourself a screwdriver set. I use UFIXTEK screwdriver set as always. From this tool set, you're going to be using a Phillips I would say 0, but yeah, let's go with number 1. So we're going to use Phillips number 1. And if you get the Pro version, it comes with an opening tool and tweezers, this and that. But if you don't want to get the opening Pro version, just get the normal set and grab yourself a guitar pick. A guitar pick is very suitable to opening covers, electronics, anything like that. Alright. First thing on the bottom of cover here, we're going to see if you use 2 screws in the front end, 1 screw on each side, and 1 at the back corner and 2 on the back middle. So there are 2 types of screw here, the short one and the really long one. The really long ones are the ones at the back mid right here, these 2. So we're going to go ahead and remove these 2 screws and keep them in one pile. As you can see, they're pretty long screws. Alright, now we're going to go and start removing the rest of the screws on the sides all around. These are the really short screws, so go ahead and remove all of them. Also, if you guys like my video, if my video helping you guys out and you want to support the channel, you can do that by just clicking that like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it, and it'll be a great support and motivation for me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions. Alright, once we remove all the screws, so we have the short ones and the long ones, now we're going to grab our opening tool, in this case a guitar pick, and we are going to stick it between the top and the bottom cover, just like that. Now we just got to twist it, just gently, and we're going to hear a click. That's all you want to hear. You want to do all around in the front end, work yourself to the back corner, do the left and right side before you go to the back. So there you go. Now we got the front loosen up, the side loosen up. Now we're going to work on the back side by the grill right here. We're going to lift this side up. You're going to go right by the Thunderbolt. We're going to loose this side up. Just wiggle around in there. Work yourself towards the back corner. Go to the next grill. And there we have it. Now we have loosened up the back, the side, the front. Now, there's 2 clips in the middle here that hold it from the battery. So in order to remove those, you just want to pull it up from the side and you just want to wiggle it around a little bit, just twist a little bit, and it will release these clips right here that they do hook up from the batteries. So that's the bottom cover. Alright, and down here the RAMs are located right under this black cover here. So you can go ahead and rip it off, bring it over, and put it to one side. It has a little adhesive too, so you can just tape it back on. And the only reason they put this one here, so when you go look through here, you don't see the ugly RAMs, so it looks all nice and black. But I would suggest you guys to remove it in order to get a better airflow. Alright, and the RAM is right here, is been already upgraded to an 8 and 8 gig. But if you have only 8 gig, you can put another 8 gig, can go up to 16, but this laptop can go easily up to 32 gig. Again, check that link on my video description. Maybe your model can go up to 64. Alright, people always tell me like you should remove the battery before upgrading RAM. That's absolutely not necessary. You don't need to remove the battery to remove the RAM, but in case you want to be paranoid and you want to remove the battery, you have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws only and lift out the battery upward, and it will get released from the jack, but it's absolutely not necessary. To remove the RAMs is really easy. All you need to do, put your fingers right on these triggers in here on the mid and pull them away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle, just like that. Now all you need to do is to pull it out in the same direction. So these are DDR4 RAMs, so you can put this to side, and the last one down there, same thing, pull the triggers on it, and the RAM will come out. So one 8 gig and there's another 8 gig DDR4 RAM here. You want to place the RAM, make sure the notch on the RAM, if it's going to focus, the notch right on the RAM matches the notch on the RAM DIMM. So if you try to put it the other way around, it will not simply go through. It will not go through. So you have to twist, bring it down in 45-degree angle, all the way towards the motherboard, towards the jack, and click it towards the motherboard, and you should hear these two triggers clicking. Same thing with the other RAM. Just bring it, make sure the notch matches 45-degree, and push it towards the motherboard, and you should hear those two triggers. Okay, and that's how you upgrade the RAM. If you don't want to, if you turn on and there is no screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and if you don't get a screen after 5 to 10 seconds, power off and swipe the places, and power on and wait 5 to 10 seconds for the BIOS to do a mem check, which is a memory check. Alright, once we finish down here, all we need to do is to grab the bottom cover, bring it over, align it, and just snap down the corner, the sides, and the back all the way down. And once we do that, and now down here, you want to press right here. There are 2 clicks that you should press right here, and you're going to hear them. And the last thing would be to just put the long screws at the back mid, and the short ones all around. Again, I hope you guys liked this video and helped you guys out. If it did, please click that like and subscribe. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment, and I will try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.